following package directions, are you really cooking food? My girls, open your cabinets, your pantry. Tell me what's in there. Pasta? Boxes of rice? Boxes of hamburger helper packets, just add water convenience meals? That's not an accident. That's how I raised you. My sainted mother, your grandmother, oh, she cooked real food. For all my grade school years, it was meat, homemade mashed potatoes, and yes, canned green beans, always with freshly sliced Italian bread and 2 sticks of butter on the table every night. And then modern food arrived, rice-a-roni, the San Francisco treat, hamburger helper, minute rice. Mom was thoroughly modern, and she reached for those modern convenience foods on nights when my sainted father wouldn't be coming home for dinner. Of course, years later, these boxes rolled right into my kitchen. It was how I fed you. Not the homemade mashed potatoes, but the hamburger helper, right? And, Near East pilaf. Oh, so fancy. And girls, though, didn't we love it? Except you would be miffed if we were having your sister's favorite hamburger helper flavor and not yours, right? Anyone out there listening in, ladies, vote for your favorite hamburger helper flavor. Naturally, your cabinets, my girls, are full of convenience foods, which are all carbs. That's my gift to you, but I want to take it back. I built my kitchen around the wrong centerpiece. Convenience came first. But a real meal doesn't start in the cabinet. It starts with protein and natural fat, because your body needs protein and natural fat every day. Now, you know your old mother changed. I eat for nutrition first now. Weird? Maybe not so weird, not anymore. I am not the only one. Look around. People want to eat organic, farm to table, locally grown. We are returning to real food, and that changes how we stock our kitchen. The food moves out of the pantry and into the fridge and freezer. So here's what that looks like in real life. In my freezer and a little defrosting in my fridge, meat, always meat. In the fridge, eggs and dairy, cream, butter, cheese, and vegetables like onion, garlic, broccoli, tomato. Yes, in the cabinets I still have spices. I know what you're thinking. Is that really food? It seems pretty empty. It's minimal. It's my capsule kitchen. You know those gals that show us 6 pieces, 27 looks? It's the same idea. These are the basics, and you can combine them oodles of ways. And you're thinking, how do I make dinner? How do I make dinner without following package directions? There's no package. That was my panic too, I swear. But the good news is, it takes precious little cooking skill to meet the standards set by Hamburger Helper. And what about all those different flavors? Doesn't it get boring eating the same thing every night? Well, no, I'm not eating the same thing every night. I can take, say, 1 pound of ground beef and whip it into taco bowls or cheeseburger casserole or skillet lasagna or meatballs or low-carb enough chili. You get the idea. All in about the same amount of time it takes to follow the package directions on Hamburger Helper. Chicken, pork, it's all the same. Lots of options, and it's all real food. My girls, I want you to know what it feels like to walk into your kitchen and make real meals from real food. Far be it for me to tell you what to do, but move the processed meal boxes out of your pantries and move real food into your fridge and freezer. I didn't get my brain back by eating rice-a-roni. I eat like my brain matters, and you should too, because I love you.